You can try these steps to fix your JBL Quantum 100 mic not working problem. 1. Check physical connections. Ensure the mic is properly plugged into the correct port. Try reinserting it securely. 2. Test with another device. Connect the headset to a different device to check if the issue persists. 3. Check mute button. Ensure the mic is not muted using the inline controller system settings. 4. Set as default device. Go to sound settings on your PC or console and set the JBL Quantum 100 mic as the default input device. 5. Adjust mic levels. Increase the microphone volume in your system's audio settings. 6. Update audio drivers. Install the latest drivers for your audio device from the manufacturer's website. 7. Disable exclusive mode. In Windows, go to Sound Settings and Recording, JBL Quantum 100 mic, Properties, Advanced, then uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. 8. Check app permissions. Ensure the microphone has the necessary permissions in Windows, macOS, or gaming apps. 9. Try a different port or adapter. If using a splitter or adapter, try a different one to rule out hardware issues. 10. Reset audio settings. Restore default sound settings in your system to resolve configuration issues.